Welcome back to Poppy's workshop. Actually, I'm in the living room again. You see the topic of discussion, the shear line compound. I've been talking about how I took a Fordham handpiece and machined it so it would fit in the tool block, my tool holder. That was for the larger than this size. I don't want to machine this anymore. I don't want to machine this here anymore. So what I did is I went and got this 3/4 by 1 inch 6061 T6. If you see, I've been marking on it. I'm going to whack off a 1 inch hunk of this, or a hunk big enough to cut down to an inch. Then I'm going to cut my 5-degree angle here on my 1/4 inch clamping surface. Nice little slot here for this to go in. 2 set screws. Bang. This clamps in here, giving me an automatic step away, because the way this is now, it's about the right angle, you see? But so when I go like, turn this upside down here. See, when I put this baby here and stick it like so, I'll have plenty of clearance. This is the Fordham handpiece I've been talking about. I bought it in 1973. You see this hole, there's a screw hole there. A brass sliding collar came on it and slid out so that you'd had a grip way out here on the collet. Well, anyway, that's out of here, and you see that I machined flats on 3 sides here. I might be able to machine it down so it fit in the compound over here, but there's the interference issue with the hand wheel, and I'm pretty sure that both of these objects want to be boss. Wow. Looking, it is almost perfect angle I see here along the side of the handpiece to the base of the compound. It's almost perfectly aligned, within 1/4 of a degree, I'd guess. I mean, it's like these two are made to go together. They just want their little friend to jump in the middle. There's that. And Yeah. Everyone recognizes that dial caliper. And they all got a thumb wheel so that you can wheel them. Think for a moment. Remember those things that look sort of like this, but they don't have a dial or digits? They have a bunch of lines and a bunch of lines here, and I think they call them verniers. Yeah, vernier calipers. Yeah, look it up in Google. Google it. Okay. You see, veneers, they had another piece of steel here with another set screw and a little thumb wheel here and a screw. You could clamp down this piece of steel to turn this thumb wheel, and it would very, very much more subtly than this thumb wheel here move the jaws in and out. I always liked that feature. So with the rest of this bar of 6061, let's see, 2, 4. Yeah, I should be able to get enough blocks if I split this so that I can make those thumb adjust wheel blocks for 6 calipers. I got 2 dials, 2 digitals, and I got another device with a similar style of bar. I think I will make those fine adjusters for calipers that I have. Can you read it? It says 6061-T6511. And there's a lot number. ASTH-B221. Anyway, inch by inch. I have some ideas things I can do with this. No. Maybe some aluminum setup blocks. I'll have to think on that.